One of the key elements that makes a championship-winning race car is a low amount of weight. Hi, I'm Jeff Brown, Marketing Manager for Extreme Dimensions. Carbon Creations is an industry-leading brand that brings the racing element of weight loss not only to motorsport, but also to the public streets for the everyday consumer. Carbon Creations is able to ensure this weight loss through the use of 100% Grade A carbon fiber. Carbon Creations offers you the parts you want, from hoods, trunks and hatches, lips, complete body kits to accessories. Carbon Creations products are packaged for safe delivery. They are formed with a consistent tight weave that is cleaned up nicely with rolled edges and completed with a UV coating, high gloss finish that gives you that added protection. Every part comes with an authenticity badge so that you know that you're getting a quality product. Installation of our products is made simple because we not only form our parts as thin as possible to closely match the OEM parts that they are replacing, but we also make sure that all the bolts are included to OEM specification. Carbon Creations doesn't just look the part, it plays the part too. Even under extreme conditions, Carbon Creations products retain their original form. When compared to your OEM factory parts, Carbon Creations products can weigh less by up to 70%. Carbon Creations also offers an industry-leading 1-year limited warranty. If there are manufacturer deemed defects, then we'll replace it free of charge. From its start, Carbon Creations has taken the media by storm. From magazine articles and covers, to movie highlights, and even to toy cars being modeled after them. So if you demand strength, durability, weight loss, a company that stands behind their products, then look no further.